In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own logo using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the keyword logo and hit enter to open the Canvas template library with thousands of free and customizable templates for any brand. To find the right design for you, you can enable the filters on the sidebar by simply clicking all the designs that you would like to show in your library. You can also filter out different color schemes and pricing. And once you've chosen your template, you can now go ahead and customize the design. But if you would like to start from scratch, you can do so by clicking on the plus icon at the first row of the template. Once you've found the right template for your brand, you can now add images from Canva or you can upload your own pictures. To do so, simply click on the Uploads tab and upload your own pictures. You can also add different frames and shape your images by using the elements available in Canva. Simply drag the frame where you would like to put your image on and drag the image into the frame. You can also resize the image by double-clicking on it and use the handles to move and resize the image. You can also add text and different graphics onto the logo to make it look more interesting. You can also animate the logo by clicking on the Animate button and select the animation that you would like to use for different elements. Canva also lets you collaborate with other people on your project. To do so, simply click on the plus icon right next to your profile icon and you can change the access of your design based on how you would like to share it with your collaborators. And once you're satisfied with the design, go ahead and save it to your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.